Hi guys, we have this Ujala Supreme Liquid Fabric Enhancer. So in this video, I'm going to show you its demo and review. This is a 75 ml bottle which will cost you rupees 32. So do you know what this Ujala Supreme is used for? Generally, white clothes after repeated use lose its color and become pale. So this will make white stuff fresh again. To use, just add 4 drops of Ujala to 1 liter of water. Adjust drops according to water ratio. Now mix gently. It instantly dissolves. No effort here. And then you dip washed clothes in this for 4-5 seconds only. Just dip and take out. You don't have to soak. Take out the dipped clothes and squeeze out the water. Now dry them in shade and let's see how our shirt turned out after using this Ujala. See, it gives perfect eye soothing whiteness in this white cotton shirt. And what happens is sometimes ordinary washing blues, they leave a blue tinge. It won't do that. It gives even whiteness. And there is no fragrance in this. It cannot be used in washing machine. It is not a replacement of your detergent powder. It's just a fabric enhancer which can be used on white cotton clothes. This one bottle will last long enough. You just need few drops of it. It's also available in 250 ml size. It's working just as it used to work since years. Good product to whiten your off-white stuff. So that was all about it. Subscribe for more such videos. Bye bye.